Hello, my name is Joshua, the rival, and I'm part of Team 21. So, for our website, this is the login screen. We are using the default Django database, which is the SQLite database, to authorize the username and passcode for the login screen and the create page. So, when you first log in or come to the website, you see this page. We're assuming that this is your first time, and we want to go to the register page to create your account. Once you get to this screen, you have to fill in your username and your passcode and confirm your passcode, then your date of birth. You have to fill certain requirements because we are using the SQLite database, which is it forces you to fill these requirements. As you can see in red, when you start typing your passcode, you can see at active time where you start to fill those requirements. The more you fill out the requirements, and it won't let you create your account until you finish all the requirements. Once you finish everything, you click create account and you get back to the login screen. Now, just put in your username and passcode, which the account you just created, to log into the website.
All right, Joshua, thanks so much. I'll take it away from here. My name is Bihan. I'm also part of Team 21. So as soon as you log in, once you create your new account, or if you have pre-existing credentials already, you can log into the account, and this is the page you'll be taken to. You will see the maps. You'll see Google Maps over here. This is provided by the Google Maps API. You can roam around, you can zoom in and out as you wish. On your top left, you will notice the search bar where you can search your restaurant depending on cuisine, name, or any particular location. In addition to that, there are also a bunch of filters that I will talk about in just a second. So let me begin by just typing in a random restaurant. Let's say Chick-fil-A, for example. If I were to hit the search bar, I get to see all the options that I have available, all the Chick-fil-A's that are near me. I can zoom in a bit and pick any one of these branches. So let's say if I were to pick this marker, I can zoom in, get the oh, this turns out to be the Georgia Tech one. Get the location of Chick-fil-A. I get to see the opening times, the rating that people tend to give it, the cuisine of the type of food that is served over here. You also have access to a link that takes you to Google Maps that you can locate this place relative to your position, wherever you may be. You get to see all the images associated with this restaurant, and you also get to see the Google reviews that are associated with this particular restaurant, including their ratings. So if I erase this and go back, so you get to see this. I can also look up restaurants by cuisine. If I were interested in Indian food, for example, I can look that up, and I can filter out the search results by distance. For example, let's say I only want Indian restaurants within a 1 mile radius. So I get to pick those, and these are all the markers of all the Indian restaurants within a 1 mile radius. I can zoom in a bit for clarity. Let's say I want them within a 1 mile radius and need to be at least 3 stars. So I can set that up over here. So these are all 3 stars and above. If I were to switch to 4, for example, I have this. But if I were to switch to 5, you'll then notice that we don't have any Indian restaurants that have 5 star. They have 5 stars. So you can switch to ratings, and majority of the restaurants nearby or within a 1 mile radius all have really good or really high ratings, which is a cool thing, I guess. Um, so you get to see all these things about all the restaurants. If I were to pick this, for example, I get to zoom in again and see all the information about it. Again, it gives me the cuisine and all that stuff, shows the reviews and everything, etc., etc. So everything looks good up until now. When you open the if you when you open the site, if you're logged in, you'll be taken to the map straight away. If you wish to log out, you can simply hit the logout button, and you'll be taken back to the login page where you can log in again. So the final bit of the demonstration will be the forgot password page. And I think Joshua will handle that again. Joshua?
All right, thank you. So let's say you log in, you create an account, and log back out, and like always, sometimes you forget your passcode. So we create a forgot passcode page. You should have to click the forgot passcode button. It will bring you to this page. So, like I was saying earlier, it does use your birthday as the set requirement to reset your passcode. So you put in your username, then put in your birthday, and then put in the new passcode you want to reset your passcode to. This passcode does have to fit the SQLite database requirement as prior. So it will take you through the same steps as creating passcode, and then once you've done everything, you just click, change passcode. Then it takes you back to the login page, and you just log back in like you did the first time after creating your account, but this time using the new passcode.
And cool. I just logged in with the new password that I made earlier, and it takes me back to the Finder or the Atlanta Restaurant Finder the main page of the application. So yes, that ends this demonstration video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.
See you, man.